Yeah, Reggae queen, dutiful and strong, virtuous woman, the Proverbs 31. Jamaica gyal steady on the mission, sweet like island sun, heart full of wisdom. Early in the morning she rise and stand tall, handle every duty, she answer every call. Strength in her spirit, grace in her walk. When she open up her mouth, wisdom in her talk. She build up her home with love and direction. Everything she touch, blessings in her every section. Kind with her words, mercy where she bring. She run her household like a true born queen. She a Proverbs 31 woman, virtuous, powerful, steady like a strong one. Heart clean, mind sharp, yeah, she always shining. God bless the girl, cause her light keep rising. Proverbs 31 woman, real Jamaican queen, yeah, she stand for wisdom. Noble in her ways, yeah, her price can't done. Proverbs 31, she the chosen one. Hey, she dressed in strength, yeah, her garment bold. Dignity wrap round her like a robe of gold. She laugh at tomorrow, cause she not fear life. She move with courage, she built to survive. Hands always working, she crochet with skill. Purpose in her step, discipline in her will. Blessings follow her, favor run deep. Wherever she go, peace and love she keep. When the sun get hot and the trials come, she still stand firm, she not play victim. Her family rise up and call her blessed. Her partner proud, yeah, him rate her the best. She a Proverbs 31 woman, virtuous, powerful, steady like a strong one. Her clean mind sharp, yeah, she always shining. God bless the girl, cause her light keep rising. Proverbs 31 woman, real Jamaican queen, yeah, she stand for wisdom. Noble in her ways, yeah, her price can't done. Proverbs 31, she the chosen one. Yeah. Woman of valor, woman of grace, true island queen, strength in her face. Proverbs 31, yeah, the world to see. Jamaica woman.